Hi, Daniel.
Yes. Hi, teacher.
Hello, I'm so happy to see you. How are you today?
I'm
How are you doing, Daniel?
sorry.
Daniel, can you say for me? I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing very good because the weather is getting better. Here in South Africa, it's getting warmer and warmer every day. How is the weather in Korea?
Getting colder.
Getting colder. Do you like that or you don't like that?
I like that.
Okay, so then you are happy too. I am happy because it's getting warmer. You are happy because it's getting colder.
Teacher,
Yes, question.
is there still daytime?
Yes, it's still daytime here in South Africa. Actually, you and I, we are 7 hours different. So, what time is it in Korea now?
8.
Check it.
8. 8.
Check again. 8:30.
8:30.
Good. So, what is 8:30 minus 7? Minus 7 hours.
1:30.
Very good. Daniel, that means it's 1:30 in the afternoon in South Africa. Do you want to see outside my window?
Yes.
Oh, Daniel, I have something very cool I will show you. I remember actually last week I didn't see you. Last week I was
Yes.
speaking to your brother. Now I remember. I showed your brother, but I didn't show you. Do you recognize my background?
Yes.
No, it's different.
No.
It's a different. Can you say, where are you?
Where are you?
Okay, Daniel, I am in a new apartment. I moved here and this window has a very nice view. Beautiful view. I want you to guess. What am I looking at? I will show you, but I want you to guess. What is this beautiful view? Is it a mountain? Is it the ocean? Is it the city? Is it the park? What do you think?
Park.
You think there is a park out there? Can you make a sentence? Say, I think you can see the park.
I think you can see the park.
Dang! It's not the park. Try one more time.
Maybe city.
Say, I think you can see the city.
I think you can see the city.
All right, let's check. Let's check if you are correct. So I'm going to turn here and let's see. What do we see?
Ocean.
It's the ocean. Isn't that such a nice view?
Yes.
Daniel, look at that. I can walk to the beach. I just need to cross the road. Cross the road and I can go to the beach.
Yes.
But look, is there any people swimming?
No.
Why do you think that is? It's October and no one is swimming yet. Why do you think that is?
Because it is get maybe
One more time, maybe why?
I don't know.
Oh, because it is still cold. Daniel, the water is still very cold. So maybe after a few weeks, then we can swim. Right, I'm looking at your shirt. Is that a jellyfish on your shirt?
No.
What is that thing on your shoulder, that orange animal?
This is not jellyfish. It's slipper.
Is- It's a slipper. Okay, I thought it was a jellyfish. Right, Daniel, any questions before we start today's class?
No.
Anything fun happening at school? CCA? Special PE? Right, let's start today's class. I'm going to show you this lady. She's a Korean lady. Her name is Choi Sun-hwa. She is 80 years old. Daniel, she is going to go to this competition, Miss Universe Korea. Can you say for me? She will go to Miss Universe Korea.
She will go to Miss Universe Korea.
Now, what is Miss Universe Korea? It is a beauty contest. A beauty contest, and usually if you are 29 years or older, you cannot go to this beauty contest. So that means there is an age limit. Can you say for me? There was an age limit.
There was an age limit.
But this year, Daniel, this year, there is no age limit. So she decided to attend. She is 80 years old and she will go there. Even all the other models are younger than her. She will join. Daniel, she was working as a nurse. She was a nurse until she was 72 years old. So she was working at the hospital until she was 72 years old, and then she became a model. Now, at the age of 80, she will join Miss Universe Korea. Do you understand?
Yes.
Daniel, what do you think? Can she win this competition with the
Yes.
other models being young and she is old?
Yes.
Why do you think she can win?
Be-
So Daniel, I think maybe she cannot win. I think the other contestants are younger than her. Maybe the other contestants are prettier than her. But I think it's very good that she is going to this competition so she can try, so she can experience. Can you say for me? I think it is good she is going to this competition.
I think she is good
She is.
to going to this competition.
Yes. All right, good. Let's read. Can you read for me? Meet the 80-year-old.
Meet the 80 years old Miss Universe Korea contestant, proving age is just a number.
All right, Daniel, please tell me, what do you know about this lady, Cho Sun-hwa? What do you know about her?
He is 80 years old and he will go to a contest called Miss Universe Korea, and
She.
she was a nurse when she was 72 years old.
Very good. Okay, nice. So you understand this story. Do you have any question about this lady
No,
or about Miss Universe? Why do you think the competition is called Universe, Miss Universe? Daniel,
yes.
ask me. Say, teacher, why are you wearing sunglasses?
Teacher, why you are wearing sunglasses?
So Daniel, did you see what is outside my window?
Yes.
What is outside my window? The beach. Can you say for me? The beach is outside your window.
The beach is outside through a window.
And so because it's so bright, and even the sand is a very bright color. So it's shining in my eyes. So how can we protect our eyes if it's too bright?
With sunglasses.
Good. We can wear sunglasses. Right. Daniel, let's move on to the next one, which is space. I think you like space travel. Here is a rock that was discovered on Mars. This is not on Earth, this is on Mars. Daniel, how did they get this photo? Who took a photo from Mars?
The robots.
Yes, very good. There is a robot. It's like a car that is on Mars, but it's the rover that is exploring and taking photos on Mars. Now, what do you notice about this rock? Why are scientists so excited about this rock? What color is the rock?
Yellow.
It's like a yellow gold color. Can you say for me? The rock is a yellow gold color.
The color is yellow gold color.
Now, Daniel, is that color matching the floor? Is it matching the sand? Is it matching the ground?
No.
No, it's not matching. Even the size. Is the size of the rock matching the other size of the rocks?
No.
So what does that mean? That means the rock does not belong there. Can you say, it does not belong there?
It does not belong there.
So how did it get there, Daniel? How do you think this gold rock came here? What do you think happened? Do you think an alien moved the rock?
No.
What do you think?
Maybe the meteor moved that rock.
The metal moved the rock. Maybe. So that's what scientists are trying to figure out, is how did this rock come here? So what they are expecting, Daniel, they think there is a volcano, or a long time ago there was a volcano on Mars, and the volcano erupted. Can you say for me? The volcano erupted.
The volcano erupted.
And that means so many things. It was a giant volcano and it erupted, and lots of things flew into the sky. And some of those things were these rocks. And the rock flew all the way far away and landed down here. That is one of the things that they are considering. Now they want to look around to find more of this material. Can you say for me? They will try to find more of this material.
They are trying to find more of this material.
So if they find more of this material nearby, that's where it came from. But then question number 2 is, how did it get here? So question number one, where is it from? Where is it from? And number 2, how did it get here? Can you tell me these 2 questions we are asking?
This is from the volcano and
Oh, we don't want the answer. Can you give me the question? Give me the question. What is question 1? What is question 2?
Where is it from? Did how did it get here?
Good. Let's read that one more time. Sentence number 1. Where is it from?
Where is it from?
And number 2, how did it get here?
How did it get here?
All right, so there's some interesting things happening in space. Daniel, do you have any questions about this rock?
No.
Let's read. Strange rock found.
Strange rock found on Mars with zebra markings has NASA scientists excited.
Daniel, the scientists are excited because this looks like a gold rock. If you sell this rock, you can have lots of money. Daniel, what will you buy with all that money? What's the first thing you will buy?
Diamond.
You will buy a diamond. Why do you want to buy a diamond? Do you want to put the diamond on your necklace and have a diamond necklace?
No, I want to make the diamond chest plate and diamond leggings and diamond boots and diamond helmet
So you want
and
diamond
sword.
So it sounds like you want diamond clothes and diamond accessories. Don't you think diamond, it will make the clothes heavy? And if the clothes are heavy, it will be difficult to walk. All right. Daniel, you also said you want to make a sword, a diamond sword?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Moving on to the farm. Daniel, now we have a farm here. This is a strawberry farm. But as you see, it's not on the ground. Can you say for me, the farm is not on the ground?
The farm is not on the ground.
It is growing up. So this is a vertical. Can you say for me? Vertical farm.
Vertical farm.
So this is a vertical, means it's growing up. And the opposite of vertical is horizontal. Horizontal. So Daniel, any idea? Oh, let me ask you, did you go to a strawberry farm before in Korea?
No.
No, I went to a strawberry farm in Korea, but the farm was not vertical. It was on the ground. It was horizontal. Did you go to any farm, any fruit farm in Korea?
Yes, I went to my grandmother's sweet potato farm.
Very cool. So she is growing sweet potatoes in her garden.
Yes.
And are they, actually, I don't know about the sweet, are they growing underground? Do they grow like the normal potatoes?
Yes.
Did you try to pull one out?
No, actually, there was so many worms, so I was scared. So
you didn't try to pull one out?
yes, sometimes when I see a worm that moving, then I jump to my mom's head.
Daniel, I have a joke. Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to switch on the thinking brain and listen carefully. What is worse than biting into an apple and seeing a worm? What is worse than that? What is worse than biting into an apple and seeing a worm in your apple?
Teacher would munch the apple and see a worm is good thing because that means the apple is delicious.
That means the apple is delicious. Okay. So, but the question remains, what is worse than seeing a worm in your apple? What is worse than yeah?
I don't know.
Seeing half a worm in your apple, because that means you bit the other half. Do you understand? So one more time. What's worse? Can you say for me? What's worse than seeing a worm in your apple?
Seeing
What?
seeing a
Yeah. Seeing half.
half worm in the apple.
Why is that worse, Daniel?
That means we eat the half of the.
Exactly. Okay, you understand. Good job. You see, this is difficult English joke, and you understand it very nicely. Well done. Oh, look here. There is a big kite. Look what they're doing on the beach. They have this.
Teacher, but actually eating that worm is good thing because that worm eat the apple too. So the worm will be delicious too.
Okay. If the worm is delicious, I'm glad you are happy. I will not be happy if I see I am eating the worm. I will throw away the apple and the worm. I will trash it if I see that. All right, good. Daniel, let's continue. Let's see what is our next. Oh, yes, we're still talking about this. We saw the farm can be vertical and horizontal. Daniel, why? Why would some people choose to have a vertical farm? Why is that better than a horizontal farm?
Because it don't have many space.
Very good. It's saving space. If we are like this, vertical, it is saving space. If it's horizontal, we need more space. Okay, so then that's fine, but Daniel, what if you are here and you are trying to pick the strawberries, and there you are picking and picking, but what about the top? You cannot reach the top. How can you pick the top?
Get a ladder and
Get the ladder.
Go
That's
up.
get a ladder and go up. That's a good point. We can put the ladder and we can climb to the top. But maybe that takes too much time, and maybe it's dangerous because we climb the ladder, we can fall off. So to make things easier, yeah.
or maybe we can hit the bush with the hit.
Hit the bush and then the strawberries will fall out.
Yes.
What if you shake it? Shake the strawberry bush and then the strawberries fall down. You can catch them with your basket.
No, maybe when we accidentally we accidentally hold the strawberry, so the strawberry is smashed, then we can see the smashed strawberry on our head. So
Daniel, let me show you what they do and how they do it. So this is really cool. They have some machines, they have some robots. As you can see, here is the normal farm, the horizontal farm on the ground. But we want to see the vertical farm. So look at this yellow robot. Daniel, the yellow robot is taking the vertical farm and putting it horizontally. Why is it doing that?
because to make the people pick up the strawberry easily.
Thank you. I'm so glad you understand. So that people can pick the strawberries easily. All right, let's read here. Can you read for me? Vertical strawberry farm.
Vertical strawberry farm.
Let's read the full sentence.
Vertical strawberry farm in Virginia uses AI to create maximum berries with peak season flavor year round.
All right, Daniel, do you have any questions?
No?
Let's quickly review. I want you to tell me about what we studied today. I will show you the picture and you will do a quick review. Tell me about this lady, Choi Sun-hwa.
This lady go to a contest called Miss Universe Korea with young members. He was a nurse when she was 72 years old.
Okay, next one. Tell me about this rock.
Scientists were excited because they think this rock was a gold.
Which planet is this from?
It is from Mars.
Okay. There are two questions that is making the scientists very interested. What are those two questions?
Where is it from and wait,
Okay, good. That's number one. Where is it from? And number two, how did it
how did it
get here? How did it get here?
How did it get here?
All right, finally, we saw this farm. Tell me about this farm and why would some people choose to do this type of farm?
Because this farm don't save many space and
Save lots of space and the one problem, we cannot pick from the very top. So how do we do that?
the AI put the one bush down from horizontal and
And then
make the peoples pick up the
very good.
strawberry easily.
Well done. Daniel, these are difficult topics that we are talking about and a difficult joke that I told you, and you are handling it very well. You are such a smart boy.
Yes.
Well done. I'm glad you understand. Daniel, if there's any question, if there is something you don't understand, I want you to raise your hand and I want you to ask me. You can say, "Teacher, I don't understand. What is this gold rock? Where did the gold rock come from?" You can ask these questions, but I think you are doing just fine. Daniel, what's next? What are you doing after this class?
Work.
What kind of work? Are you doing homework? Are you doing academy work? Maybe a project?
Math work.
Math homework. Oh, you can finish it fast. How much time do you need to finish it?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Daniel, you can finish it in 5 minutes. 10 minutes?
Yes.
That means it's very fast. Why don't you finish the homework before you go home? Quickly finish your homework at school, and then when you go home, you can rest.
Because it is almost U&A, so I need to.
You need to practice U&A speech.
Yes.
I see. All right, Daniel. Thank you for joining my class. Lovely to
Yes.
see you. See you next time.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Daniel.